Hi friends, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel.
Hi, welcome everyone. In this lecture, we will discuss about blogging. Blogging is one of the oldest ways to earn passive income, but it is not easy to do it. And the reason is you will have to write a lot of meaningful content. Also, the competition is very high because there are blogs available for almost all topics. So you need to write better content than the available content. To do this, I have two very strong tips that will help your search engine optimization for Google. The first tip is write lengthy posts on your blog that must have at least 3000 words. And the second tip is your content must make sense. That means your blog should be written in a storytelling way because blogs that works well have a storytelling approach. These two tips will work together because Google search algorithm search for meaningful and lengthy content. If we talk about earnings, there are multiple ways to earn passive income through your blog, and I am listing them here one by one. The first one is affiliate marketing. You can promote any product or service in your niche, and the best thing is that you can get a lifetime earning through this method. Also, since you are writing the content you want, you can always edit and improve your blog, and this will be very helpful to increase the length and quality of your blog. The second way is you can sell banner advertising space on your blog to companies that are related to your readers. The third way is you can write sponsored content. You can connect with companies that might have same consumers as your readers and write advertorial blog for them for a fees. Lastly, I want to share common websites to start writing blogs, and these are blogger.com and wordpress.com. Also, we have freelancing sites such as fiverr.com, freelancer.com and Upwork where you can find paid blogging work. Thanks everyone. I will see you at the next lecture. Hi, welcome everyone. In this lecture, we will discuss the advantages and disadvantages of blogging. Let's start with the advantages. The first advantage is you can write a blog whenever you want. There is no time bound for you. Also, you can write as much content as you want. There is no restriction of word limits. The second advantage is you can easily update your existing blog posts. If you want to update or even completely change the content of any of your blog posts, then it can be done very easily. Now let's discuss the disadvantages. The first disadvantage is if you start earning from your blog posts, then it will not be fixed. Sometimes you might get a huge profits and sometimes it will be very low. It totally depends upon the amount of effort you put in marketing your blog. The second disadvantage is you will have to work very hard if you want to become a successful blogger because there is so much competition in blogging as there are more than 500 million blogs on the internet and almost all topics are covered. You will have to find your own way to stand out. If you want to start blogging, just keep these advantages and disadvantages in your mind. Thanks everyone. I will see you at the next lecture. Hi, welcome everyone. In this lecture, I will give you a list of profitable niches for blogging. The first one is technology, which is the most profitable among all. Then we have programming, city guide, cultural differences, language, diets, nutrition, remedies, mindfulness, self-care, skincare, yoga, weight loss, gardening, art, writing, motorcycles, fishing, photography, fashion, makeup, self-defense, interior design, pets training, cooking, gaming, finance, pregnancy, parenting, education, career, social network, and politics. You can choose any of these niches and start writing your blog. Write down your thoughts based on your interest. It is good to take inspiration from other blogs, but your own thoughts will give your blog a personal touch and that may help you to grow. Thanks everyone. I will see you at the next lecture.